In this video, we are going to see how you can enter the customer balances in QuickBooks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now we have entered most of the balances, but we have these balances remaining: debtors, creditors, and stock. So as I told you that this is updated as a control account. If you want to update the receivables automatically, you need to enter the customers. So the next step is entering the customers and the balances of it. So to enter the customers, I'll just directly click from here on the customers tab. It will take you to this customer section. And from here on the top corner, I can enter the new customers, or I can add multiple customers if I have hundreds of customers, right? So, but that scenario I'll explain to you later, where we will import the data from Excel sheets. Right now, we will just see how you can enter a new customer. So I'll click here and I'll go to the new customers. Also, we do have a short key here. N is highlighted, so Control N will be the short key. So let's try it as well. So this is the new customer area. I'll enter the customer name, enter the opening balances, and put the opening date here. And then you can enter the rest of the info here in the address info. So first customer is Bashir. Opening balance is 50,000. Let's copy and paste that. And this is as of 1st of January 2024. Now this address info, it's pretty basic information. You can do it by yourself. You just have to enter some further details about the customer, their company name, full name, job title, any primary or secondary, phone number, email ID. And you can also specify the address details if you want to invoice to a specific address and then ship to a specific address. You can do that. You can enter the payment details, the credit limits, price level list, but this is what we will see later on. First of all, in this customer, we have just entered the customer name, balance, and the date. So click OK. Now let's enter the new customer again. And the new customer is Abu Bakr, 60,000 as of 1st of January 2024, and OK. And then new customer again. This one is Mubarak. Copy and paste here. Copy and paste the balances. And the opening date is 1st of January 2024. So let's click OK. This is how you enter the customers. In the next video, I'll show you that if you have made a mistake in the balances of the customers, how you will edit that. So just enter these customers and their balances, and I'll see you in the next one.